Welcome. In this demo, I'll show you how FastDoc automates one of the most time-consuming parts of Agile workflows, release communication and documentation. For this demo, I have pre-configured two automation rules, but creating a new one is fast and simple. Let's say your marketing team needs to prepare a campaign as soon as development kicks off. So with FastDoc, you can create a rule. For example, I have a rule here for marketing specific use cases where the trigger is set to an epic when epic is moved to in progress. You can use these document length and document type prompts to generate a marketing copy which is short and concise. You have options to include attachments, include child issues or comments, and describe a goal. And then lastly, you just select a Confluence space where you want to publish this documentation when it's ready. And as soon as it's published, it will also give you an update by dropping a comment. Similarly, I have another rule created here for my technical writing team, where when the epic is marked as done, let's say it will automatically create a medium length help article with all that information to assist users in understanding and using the feature. And the first draft will be published to another Confluence space, right? Now, I have these two rules, and let me show you how we can see it in action. So let's say I have this epic space travel booking workflow, and I just triggered the automation rule by moving this epic to in progress. And as you can see that my marketing copy is being generated. Now I just move my ticket to done, and then this automatically moves my help article into the queue. Now, you also have the option to create documentation manually. Here you have three options to choose from. First one is the issue view, where you can choose one or more issues manually. The second one is filters, which is again very handy when you have cross-project and larger releases. And then the third one is project versions or release. For this demo, I'm just going to quickly use a release version. And again, you have all the controls to choose a tone type. You can generate a release note here. And then quickly I can choose a release version that I've created for product launch. You can also use custom fields if that apply. You can choose child issues, comments, as well as attachments if you have more context. Let's say if you have a business requirement or anything else, including Confluence attachments, and then hit create. And then within second, your documentation will be ready as well. And as you can see in the background, I have my two other documents created. But let me quickly show you the help article that I created. And it follows the templates that we have. So there are other features. And then my release notes are also ready here. And because I created this manually, I can just publish it to a Confluence space of my choice. And then boom, the documentation is now shared in the Confluence space. So this whole workflow end to end saves a lot of time, and proactively share GTM updates or create support articles and make sure everybody is aligned. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks for listening.